Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's episode of Learn. In the last class, we considered simultaneous equations and we used substitution method to solve a number of problems. So this afternoon, we'll be solving some very fundamental questions using the elimination method. And if you were with me in the last class, we explained that elimination means to kill, to get rid completely. So to solve this question, we will have to completely eliminate a variable, either x or y. So you don't need to panic. This exercise is very simple to solve, and I believe we all can do this. Just watch and be with me. So in our basic classes, in our primary classes, we all could add and subtract these numbers. So let's quickly do this. For this exercise, we say 8 plus 2 will give us 10, so we have to write 0 and we add the 1 here, and then 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, and then 3 plus 2 is 5, so this gives us 550. In the same vein, we also can do this. 328 subtract 222, so we'll say 8 subtract 2, that will give us 6. 2 subtract 2, that gives us 0. 3 subtract 2, that gives us 1. So ladies and gentlemen, if we can do this basic calculation involving numbers, then we should be very okay solving expressions like this. Very simple. So in a minute, I will walk you through how you would apply these principles to solve the exercise that we have been given here. So for us to be able to solve this exercise, all we just have to really be worried about for a question as simple as this is the signs before the numbers. Like here is positive 3, positive 2, positive 8, and here we have positive 2, negative 2, positive 2. So, and when we are eliminating, we have to look for a way to make one of the variables the same, either x or y. We'll find a way to make them the same such that we have 2y and 2y here in the both equations. That will make it very easy for us to eliminate. You know why? Because if, assuming I have $2 and here I'm owing my friend $2, when I give out the $2 I have, or that I'm owing to the person I'm owing, I'll be left with no money. So that is the simple concept we'll be applying here. We are getting rid of a variable, either x or y, but as this question has been set for us, it will be very easy for us to get rid of the y variable. And just like I explained earlier, in our elementary mathematics, we should be able to use something, do something as simple as this. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do this. 3x plus 2x would give us what? 5x. It's just like saying $3 plus $2, that will give us $5. Okay, plus 2y minus 2y, that's like saying I have $2 and I'm owing $2. When I give out that, I will be left with 0, so I don't need to write that down. Then here is my equality sign. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And if you have done this, wow, we are very good, very close to solving this. So now we have been left with 5x equals to 10. And when we have an expression like this, 5x equals to 10, we all know that we have to do something like this. 5x equals to 10. We divide both sides. Oh, I'm sorry. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and when I say coefficient of x, I mean the number that is before x. Okay, so 5 goes here 5, so I'll be left with x is equals to 10 divided by 5. That will give us 2. And very simple, my friends, we have solved the simultaneous equation that has been presented before us. Very simple and very easy. And now that we have gotten x, we need to find our y, because simultaneous equations involve two variables, two unknown variables. So we have gotten our x, we need to get the y. Okay, and so to do that very simply, all we just have to do is to bring our x and substitute it into any of these equations. So I will use equation 1, so that is 3x plus 2y equals 8. And with this done, we can substitute our x equals to 2, since we already know what x is. Okay, oh, okay, here we'll replace x with 2. Pardon me for that mistake. So here we'll put 2, and then 2y equals 8. Okay, 3 multiplied by 2, that gives us 6, plus 2y equals 8. And then we have that our 2y is equals to 8. This positive 6, when it comes over to the other side, becomes negative. So 8 subtract 6 will give us 2. So we have that 2y is equals to 2. And then we divide both sides by the coefficient of y. So we are left with y. Oh God, what is all this? So please pardon me for that error. So we are left with 2y is equals to 1. So I believe if you have followed through with me through, we have been able to solve this simultaneous equation. Very simple. I wish you all the best in your academic endeavors. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, as I will be delivering real content, real value in real time for you to become the best version of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.